Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I really want to make a quick update on the trades which it has a possibility to be taken today. So everybody knows the way how I trade, support and resistance, yeah. So what we got here, we got literally everybody can see we going up, yeah. But the fact that on Friday this candle closes like bearish, yeah. I was looking today for the retracement somewhere on this area, yeah? Somewhere here, something like that. So basically I was looking to be short today, yeah? And what's the possibility that I would look to take today? Everybody knows the support and resistance, the break and retest strategy. So so we got here the high, here the low, yeah. And basically what I'm usual wait to break, retest, trying to make a high, break it, break the structure, came back into this zone. You could literally take it, you could literally take it, oh my days, you could take it somewhere here, instant, put somewhere the stop above this high and just target the next low. So you could literally get 4-hour simple as that. Even right here, yeah, I was waiting this stuff to be broken, come back for the retest and then to take it to the downside, but obviously it didn't retest it. So this load I did this trade I didn't take it. But yeah guys, that's kind of the break and retest strategy. Let's see if we can manage to get some different, yeah, let's see. Let me grab to the daily time frame. Yeah, I would look to be bullish. So what's the possibility right here? Let's go. We should wait today. We should wait today for the AJ low to be breaking and the high, and both sides we would take the break and retest. Here's your fake out, here's your come back to the zone, take the trade, stop above, targeting this high. So you would made it. 3.61. Where else? GBP, USD. Let's check the daily time frame. Daily time frame, beautiful, bearish, engulfing. Yeah, I would wait for the retrace and go down to these lows, either this one. Let's just check the 5 minutes. What happened today? What happened today, guys? That's insane, guys, how people can take those shorts, yeah? You could literally take, let's just be safe to put it this way. Yep, fake, break, but even this way, yeah? You could literally wait. You know guys, here I'm gonna be skeptical with that because I don't know, man. I would say you could take literally like instant right here somewhere, stop above this high and just targeting these lows. Either wait for this break, but here it didn't give like a proper retest. It kind of like this candle stopped right into the zone and then bullish and then bearish. I would wait for one more retracement, but unfortunately it didn't happen. It just went through these lows. So yeah guys, on GBP USD definitely it wouldn't be no trade, no here, no here. I wouldn't count these because you might could say this is a break of structure or something like that, but I wouldn't take it, just to be honest. It looks so precision. So yeah guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, like it, comment down below. See you in the next video.